Turmeric is one of the most powerful ingredients we have that's all natural, and I'm about to make turmeric oil. And if you want to see how I do it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Good day, good night, good morning, everyone. My name is Natasha, and today I'm making turmeric oil or turmeric infused oil for my turmeric soap. I want to make turmeric soap, and I decided that I wanted the oil that I include to be infused with turmeric. And turmeric, you guys, is a very powerful natural ingredient if you don't know already. For one, it is an antibacterial, which means that if you put it on your skin, it's going to attack that bacteria, yank it out of your pores so your pores are clean, your face looks vibrant and fresh, and it helps to prevent acne and blackheads and whiteheads because all that bacteria gets trapped in your pores, which is terrible. Turmeric is also known to block an enzyme called elastase. And elastase, guys, is responsible for preventing the skin production of elastin. So we want the skin to produce elastin. Why? Because elastin is what reduced our skin from looking saggy and the crow's feet that's around your eyes. It helps reduce wrinkles and give our skin a more youthful appearance. Look how beautiful that is. That's just beautiful. Right now, you see me showing you the dried up version of the turmeric. Now, I took the turmeric and I put it in my oven that has a dehydrate option on it because I wanted to remove as much of the fluid, the water that's in turmeric, because water attracts bacteria. And I want to grind my turmeric fine, so that it can infuse better in the carrier oil that I choose. That is why I dehydrated it. You don't need a machine. You can lay out your turmeric after you shred it. You can lay it in the sun. You can lay it out for a couple of days and it will dry just fine. And look how beautiful it is. Beautiful powdered turmeric. All natural, baby. If you're wondering where I got the container, I got it from IKEA, and my carrier oil of choice for this is olive oil. Now, I really think you should take care in picking the proper oil for your turmeric, especially if you're going to put it directly on your skin. Now, the term non-comedogenic means that the product that's non-comedogenic will not clog your pores. And so there is a scale that goes from 0 to 5 that determines what product has the likelihood of clogging your pores. So if you look on the left, there's grapeseed oil and it rates at a 2. And according to the scale, 2 means that it is moderately low chance of it clogging your pores. And as you go down, you see I chose olive oil, which also rates as a 2. And sunflower oil, which I use in my carrot oil, rates at a 0. And 0 means there's not likely a chance that it will clog your pores. Now, if you don't have issues with acne, this may not apply to you. But for those who have more sensitive skin, who are prone to acne, this may be important for you to know what carrier oil the turmeric is going to be infused in, and I thought it was important that you guys know that. So I used olive oil because I'm going to be using this for my soap when I make soap, so olive oil is perfect for me in this situation. Now, in order to infuse this olive oil with the turmeric, I need some form of heat. Some people actually kind of fry the oil with the turmeric in it to get all the benefits out. Some people boil it. I personally chose to just sit it in some hot boiling water and let it steep. This is my personal choice. You have to decide if you want to boil it or if you want to actually fry it on the stove. I wanted to also show you the difference between the carrot oil I made and the turmeric oil. The carrot oil seems a bit more orange. The turmeric oil does have that fluorescent yellow look to it. So I wanted to show you guys the difference in that. But look how rich it looks. It's so rich. This is probably about 4 or 5 days later. This is a nut milk bag, and I purchased it when I was making oat milk from oats. I used it to squeeze out the oats to make oat milk, and I'm gonna leave where I purchased that in the description box below so you guys can get it if you're interested. Right here, I'm just straining out the turmeric. This is about maybe 4 or 5 days later. It's very rich. If you are going to use this on your skin, my suggestion is to strain it about 3 or 4 more times. But look at that color. Oh my goodness. Look at the color. It is rich. It's full of all the benefits that turmeric offers, and it's all natural. All natural, guys. Now, according to some of the research I did, turmeric does have some skin lightening properties, which help with reducing dull skin and encourage skin to glow and look more vibrant. It helps to reduce dark spots and assist with wound healing. This is great to use in soap. If you're going to put it directly on your skin, definitely add some vitamin E. That will boost this power so that you can have a nice product to moisturize your skin naturally and glow. This thing helps you be radiant and glow. It's such a beautiful product to have, and you can pronounce all the ingredients in this product. It's not greasy. It melted in my skin and it felt great, you guys. Gold star for you if you made it this far. I appreciate and value your time. Enjoy the rest of your week and protect your energy. Please click on another video, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.